Hey y'all, it's Andrea with Sucs For You in Houston, Texas, and I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick batch of really cheap but good succulent soil mix using two ingredients that you can find locally. So first up, of course, is going to be our organic soil, and this will cost you anywhere from, $5 for a decent bag of like 20 pounds or so. I believe this is a 30-pound bag, and I paid about $12 for it from a local garden and feed supply shop. It's good stuff. The main thing I like about it is that there's not there's no clay. Like, we already have enough clay in our soil in Houston. So this right here, it doesn't stick together. It falls apart real nice. So this is going to be my base. And my second ingredient is going to be Turface. The size we're looking for is MVP. You can find this product under different names, but this is the most popular one, Turface. You want to make sure it's not too small. They come in different sizes. This one is going to be about the size of grape nuts, and it's good stuff. Oh, this bag is like $15 for 50 pounds. So this will last you a long time. It's really good. It's lightweight. You can use it as a top dressing too by itself. And yeah, I've been using this for a really long time. So glad that I can find it locally, and you should be able to as well. All right, so I've got about 8 scoops of the soil in this bin, and I'm going to start adding Turface until I like the look of it and it looks like it's going to be nice and fast draining. If I need to make something even faster draining, I add more Turface. And if I want it to be more organic, guess what? Don't add as much. So just going to start by putting a layer on top. I'm probably going to get close to a 50-50 ratio in here. And so if, that bag of 50-pound bag of Turface plus a 30-pound bag of soil, I've weighed it to make sure I was telling you all the right thing. That's 80 pounds. Once you mix it all together, eventually, you don't need to do all that at once. I never do. So you're looking at 80 pounds of good, fast draining soil for, look, maybe $25-$30. And that's if you're paying $15 for 50 pounds of the Turface, and you're paying $10 to $15 for the organic soil, that's a great deal. Because if you go to the big box store and you buy like a bag of the pre-mix, you're not getting very much. You're lucky to be getting this much soil in that bag. You really don't know what all's in it. And even if you buy like nicer stuff, like specifically for cactus and succulents, it's not like a Miracle or a big label brand, you still don't know what all's in there. Like I tried to buy a nice bag specifically for cactus and succulents with the drainage materials, all that jazz, and just didn't like it. Again, it's like clay. It had like too much clay going on in it. I had sterilized some for some seedling mix to start some seeds in. They didn't like it, so I'm going back to my original method of just buying a good soil, good potting soil. You can use top soil too, but that can be a little tricky because you don't know how much peat and how much wood chips and bark is in there, and you really don't want that in your mix usually. So I like the way this is looking right now. This is a nice, not quite 50-50, but almost there. And this would be a good start just to have on hand, ready to fill pots, so you actually get stuff done. Like if I don't have a soil mix like ready on my workbench, ready to use, I will put something off, procrastinate, like give me any excuse at all to not do my plant chores in that moment. And there we have it. This is like 30 cents a pound, guys. Come on, you can this will make a great gift for your succulent loving friends. You can, if you don't have room or you don't want 80 pounds of mixed ingredients hanging around, go on it with a friend, go on out with your parents or whoever, somebody nearby is going to take you up on that offer. But if you have the space to store the soil and the Turface while you're not using it, go ahead and buy it all. You'll be paying so much less in the end. You'll know exactly what all is in your mix. And then from there, when you're going to pot up like an individual pot or something, you can get a little smaller bin, and then you take your soil in there, add more drainage materials if you want. There you go, and sprinkle in your fertilizer if you have some like time release osmocote, stuff like that. Yeah, so 2 ingredients, about 30 cents a pound. Can't beat that.